Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you my really cool CMY cube. Check this out. All I'm using in this demonstration is my CMY cube, a few prisms, and my laser pointer. To begin, let's take a look at the CMY cube. It stands for CMY. C is cyan, M is for magenta, and Y is for yellow. And when you turn the cube, because of refraction, you'll see what appears to be a solid yellow color, but when light passes through two faces at the same time, you get multiple colors, and you get color where there shouldn't be. You get this cube within a cube illusion, and that's because of refraction. When light travels through air, water, or in this case, a solid glass or acrylic surface, the speed of light changes and it changes direction when light travels through more than one medium. So in this demonstration, light is traveling through air, but then it hits this acrylic cube and it changes direction and it changes its speed, and you get these amazing effects. Here you have that beautiful cyan color, and then I turn it, and there's that illusion again where it's like there's a cube within a cube. It's just amazing what you can do with your CMY cube. Absolutely beautiful. Now with the lights out, if I shoot my laser pointer just through one face, you'll see the laser refract and go through what appears to be multiple colors. It goes through the cyan, it goes through the magenta, and of course the yellow face that I'm beaming it through. But really interesting effect. If I back away, you can see it refract even more on the corners. Just a really interesting effect just by using a laser pointer. In the same way, you can see the speed of light slow down as it goes through a denser medium like this glass prism. You'll see that the light slows down and it changes direction as it goes through two different mediums. First, it travels through air, and then it travels through the glass prism and immediately slows down and changes direction. And that's refraction. This triangular prism has a really interesting effect when light refracts through it as well. Just terrific. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.